Alexander Mackenzie, a man with a plan to cross all of Canada by foot and by hand. No one had done it, no one had tried, but he had a mission and fire in his stride. Started near Lake Athabasca out in the east. With voyagers and guides he faced the beast. He paddled the Peace, then the Fraser's might, through wild terrain and endless night. No roads, no maps, just water and sky. The mountains ahead, but he had to try. He wasn't chasing gold or fame, he just wanted to make his name. He's Alexander Mackenzie, the first to cross this land. From river deep to ocean tide, with freezing winds and blistered hands, to the western sea he came, and he carved into stone his name. Before the trains, before the tracks, he put this land on the map. The journey was hard, the rapids wild, the forest deep, but he never smiled till he met the people of the land, who helped him with a guiding hand. They taught him how to fish and find a way through peaks he'd never climbed. With their help he stayed alive through pouring rain and summer skies. Days turned months, the way was long, but Mackenzie kept pushing strong. He wrote the date when he reached the shore, and history opened a brand new door. He's Alexander Mackenzie, the first to cross this land. Before Confederation's call, he stood where ocean meets the sand. To the western sea he came, and he carved into stone his name. Before the maps, before the flag, he blazed the trail we now all have. On a rock near the ocean he wrote in red, Alexander Mackenzie, from Canada by land. July 22nd, 1793. He was the first, that's history.